Fashions. The auspicious art of mehendi makes a bride look alluring and vibrant. This fun filled ritual has become far more creative than we could have ever dreamed of. We see brides being more experimental today. Here is a list of 5 most popular bridal mehendi designs for 2023. Number 1. Mirror Image Bridal Mehendi Design. There is nothing more picture perfect than a mirror image mehendi. It is designed with a replication of the same patterns on both hands. Traditional or modern, you are bound to look enchanting in any ensemble you pick with this one. Number 2. Floral Bridal Mehendi Design. Dainty floral motifs of roses, lotus, and leaves make your mehendi look elegant and feminine. This style is by far the most popular amongst young brides who are fresh and vibrant. Number 3. Storyteller Bridal Mehendi Design. Personalization never fails to impress. You can enhance your design by depicting your love story through a bridal mehendi image. This latest Mehendi design 2023 is a complex one and requires immense visualization to pull off. Number 4. Radha Krishna Bridal Mehendi Design. Mesmerize your love by carving a pleasing picture of Lord Krishna with the goddess Radha to signify your eternal love for him. When combined with blooming flowers and leaves, this image illustrates nature and the start of a new life. Number 5. Ganesha Bridal Mehendi Design. Ganesha is the Lord of Peace and is often worshipped to prosper in new endeavors of life. Exhibiting an image of the same can help signify this essence during the time of celebrations. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel Digital Bix Fashions.